Hi, welcome to this video. You can create a TikTok shop seller account with 0 followers because merchant accounts have no follower minimum requirement. Follower limits such as 1,000 or 5,000 only apply to creators joining the affiliate program to sell other people's products. So head over to seller.tiktok.com, right? Or just type in your search TikTok shop seller center. Inside, we're gonna just tap start selling, right? And they're gonna ask us if you want to sign up with TikTok or sign up another way. Just go ahead and sign up with TikTok, right? And you can choose from multiple options like signing up with your TikTok account, your current account, iCloud, Google, Facebook, etc. Right? And then choose individual or corporate depending on your registration document and upload a valid government issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport, right? Ensuring all type details match your official documents. And then add your store name, product categories, shipping settings, and a valid bank account to receive payouts. And of course, upload your product catalog manually or sync it directly from an e-commerce platform like Shopify. Consider liking this video, subscribing. It really helps with the channel. Till next time. See ya.